Hello student, welcome back in banking class. In the last class, we have seen introduction to banking, its meaning, origin and definition of banking. Right? So today we will going to deal with features of banking. Which are the different features of banking? Okay, we'll see one by one. First we have features of banking. Number one, deals with money, then acceptance of deposits, followed by lending of funds, next repayable on demand, followed by banking business, and next is connecting link. So let us discuss one by one. Now, what do you mean by deals with money? Bank deals with money. Now, as I already said in the last class, bank accepts deposits of money or it deals with money related transactions. Therefore, we can say a bank is a financial institution which deals with other people's money for safekeeping. Right? So point is, bank has to deal with money matter only. Okay, bank has to accept money from the public, money from the customer, funds the customer deposits it. And it is the responsibility of banker to safeguard the money of the public. Okay, therefore the bank has to deal with money only. Moving on to next is acceptance of deposits. Again, related point. Bank accept money from the public in form of deposits, right? Which are usually repayable on demand or after the expiry of a fixed period. Now, what happens is here, when public deposits their money in the bank, okay, bank accept it and it is the duty of bank, okay, to safeguard their money, right? So it gives safety to the depositors, okay. It also acts as a custodian of funds of its customers. Fine. Then moving on to next is lending of funds. Now what do you mean by lending of funds? Giving of money. Now banks give money to whom? Okay, bank lends money to the customer, to the public whenever they needs it in case of emergency. Okay, so now repayable demand, another point similar to lending of funds. Okay, bank has to repay when customer demands their money back, right? Okay, so lending of funds and repayable on demand, it's almost sound similar. Okay, so moving on to next is banking business. Now what is this banking business means? A bank's main activity is to do business of banking. They have to deal with money only and money matter transaction, as I already said. Okay, and the business of banking which should not be subsidiary to any other business. Now, for example, I can say banking cannot do the business of buying and selling of goods, right? So, they are dealing in only money, okay, nothing else. So, bank does not have to do anything with the buying and selling of goods, right? So, that is the reason this is counted as one of the features of banking, that is banking business. And moving on to next is connecting link. Bank also acts as a connecting link. A bank acts as a connecting link between whom? Between borrowers and lenders of money. Banks collect money from those, as I already said, who have surplus money and give the same to those who are in need of money, right? So there is a sort of link between the borrowers and the lenders. the customers and the banker. because here acceptance of money and lending of money, right? Okay, so all the process is based on money matters. Okay, money related transaction. Acceptance when customer needs it, lending of funds or repayable on demand. So it creates a link between borrowers and the lenders. Okay, so now features of banking are, first one, deals with money, acceptance of deposits, lending of funds, repayable on demand, banking business, and connecting link. There are actually many more features, but I have selected only few features which are very important. Okay, so I feel these features are very important and need to be written in the examination. So you all can follow the same features, or also you all can write some other features, right? Okay, I hope these features of banking are clear.